Hello everyone. Welcome to our channel. Today, let's explore together how they harvest and process carrots. Seeds are put into carrot growing machines. Carrot planters help sow carrot seeds evenly and at certain distances in the field. In addition to sowing seeds, the machine also has the effect of cultivating the soil into beds to help the seedlings drain well and avoid flooding. For seedlings to grow healthily, the soil for growing carrots must be fresh and well-drained. Carrot seeds are sown in rows with appropriate spacing to ensure the plants have enough space to grow and are easy to harvest. Regular carrots usually take 50 to 80 days to mature and be ready to harvest. Carrot harvester is used to harvest carrots effectively and quickly. These machines are specially designed to gently lift carrots from the soil without damage. The leaves and stems of the tree will be removed by the machine and released back into the soil to serve as nutrients for the soil in the next crop. After lifting the carrots from the ground, the machine uses various separation techniques to remove excess soil and other impurities. Conveyor belts and vibrating membranes are used to shake off soil from carrots. Carrots, after being cleaned of soil and removing stems and leaves, will be carefully transferred from the harvester to the tractor using a conveyor system. Freshly harvested carrots are sent to the factory for further processing. When arriving at the factory, trucks carrying carrots are unloaded outside the factory. Carrots are transferred into bins by a conveyor system. The boxes are transferred by forklift to the vegetable cleaning machine. Just harvested carrots will be gently put into the machine. Here, carrots undergo a thorough cleaning process. Carrots are put into a specialized cleaning machine. Thanks to the combination of water spray and rotating brush, it helps remove dirt, debris and remaining soil stains on the surface of carrots. Powerful water jets help dislodge stubborn dust particles, while the rotating brush gently scrubs away any remaining dirt. To ensure the freshness of carrots and prolong their storage life, they are treated with warm water and medicine. That is to ensure all harmful bacteria are killed and the carrots are kept fresh. Finally, the fresh and clean carrots are carefully packaged and transported to the place of consumption. On the other hand, another portion of clean carrots is processed into delicious and nutritious ready-to-eat dishes. First, the clean carrots will be put into the processing machine. Carrots are put into the cutting line. The carrots move sequentially into the peeler. Here, the fresh carrots are removed from the outer layer thanks to special compact knives in the machine. After the carrots are peeled, they are transported to the cutting machine. Here, the green part is effectively removed from the edible part of the carrot. Next, the carrots are cut into specific parts based on their intended use. After cutting, the carrots are cleaned again with water. Next, they are transported to the processing machine. Here, carrots go through many stages of strict processing to ensure food safety. Finally, the delicious and nutritious bags of carrots are carefully packaged and ready to be shipped to consumers. Thank you for watching and see you next time.